Hi guys, this is Akhaza and today we are going to make a really nice coffee beverage for summer. Alright guys, so today we are going to make some nice coffee beverage for summer weather, which what I will do today is the cold dip coffee, which is good for the hot weather like this. And what we need today is first coffee grinder, and we need a coffee bean. We got a coffee bean from Akhaza Coffee, which is dry process with light roasted. Of course, we need the kettle pot, we need the V60 and V60 pepper. Alright, let's get started. First of all, we just need to get a coffee bean for 35 grams. And thanks Akhaza Coffee again today. And for this time, we will rinse the water for the paper filter by just a regular water, because we are going to make a cold beverage, so we don't need to pour a hot water here to extract the hot water. And now we just need to go get 200 grams of ice and 300 grams of hot water, which is the total of 500 grams. Pour the coffee here. Shake it like a regular dip coffee, making some holes. Now we will pour hot water for a little circle. And now we just need to wait for 45 seconds of brewing for coffee. And now again, we just need to rinse the water again for about 150 and stir it. Now pour water one more time and stir it. Alright, this is the last time pouring the water. Pour up to 300 grams. And for this time, we will stir circular motion once, and then we will do the opposite direction after. Alright, and now we are done, and we'll take this over here. Now our iced coffee is done. Get a cup of ice here again, pour this in. Now you just get some nice iced coffee. Cheers for the cold coffee! I hope you guys enjoyed the cold coffee, and some of you guys might question why we are using the hot water to pouring during the time we are making this dip coffee. And the reason behind is because hot water can extract more of the flavor of the coffee and smell, and you know, the flavor of the bean and stuff. So basically that's the reason why we're doing that. And in addition on that, when you do the cold beverage, right, you should put an extra coffee bean in it. For example, for us, we use 35 grams of the bean for 500 grams of water. Usually, if you do a hot beverage, it would go for 30 grams of the bean and 500 grams of hot water. So basically, that's the reason why. I hope you guys enjoy to make cold coffee with me, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.